It's on social media. It's on YouTube. We did a show. Just because I was the DNA man.
Oh,
and all my kids were tested. So I have no doubt those 3 kids are mine.
What has been the most common the most common reason why that happens in your experience, Mr. Mugabe?
No, the thing is, people, they tell themselves a lie, and they convince themselves in that lie. Kuti inini ndakutoti ndiye baba. Because no one anoziva ndiye kanga chizari 1 pano pasi panyika kuti muridzi wemwana ndisekuru kana kuti incest or something chakaitika. Saka haana mumwe munhu anoudza anozviconvince kuti this is the truth. Of course it's a lie, but I'm going to take it as the truth, and I'm going to tell everybody this truth kuti ndiye muridzi wemwana. So the moment that DNA result comes, andofunga pamwe zvobude chete chaizvo. Panozoona zvakudaro ndo panotanga kuda kuramba. Because already anga kazviconvince nezvinhu zviri wrong. But it has never happened kuti munhu anoti ndizvozvo. Anoti hazvizi izvozvo. Not at all.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on social media. It's on YouTube. We did a show. Just because I was the DNA man.
Oh,
and all my kids were tested. So I have no doubt those 3 kids are mine.